Meaning of fivefold.
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 Fivefold. The term fivefold refers to something that is multiplied or increased by a factor of 5. For example, if you earn a fivefold increase in your salary, it means that your salary has increased 5 times its original amount. In other words, if you earned $10,000 before, you now earn $50,000. Mathematically, fivefold means multiplying a number by 5. The word fold describes the number of times the initial amount has been multiplied to reach the final amount. Therefore, fivefold refers to a significant and substantial increase of 5 times the original amount.